Imagine you're eating pizza, minding your own business, when suddenly, giant alien ships appear in the sky, cities freeze, news channels explode with panic, and you probably drop your pizza. But here's the big question. What would actually happen if aliens invaded Earth? Okay, first things first. Let's assume these aliens aren't here to exchange cookie recipes. Nope, they're coming for an invasion. The problem is, invasion is not as simple as Hollywood makes it look. Aliens don't just land and conquer, they'd face some very real problems. Step 1. The journey itself. If they've traveled from another star, we're talking years, decades, or maybe centuries of flight. That means they're advanced, way beyond us. Probably the kind of species that laughs at our fastest rocket like it's a toddler's tricycle. If they can actually get here, their tech would make us look like cavemen holding fidget spinners. Step 2. The environment. Earth looks comfy to us. To aliens, maybe not. Different atmosphere, strange bacteria, weird food. Imagine showing up at a restaurant where everything on the menu could poison you. Even if aliens wore spacesuits, they'd need resources: oxygen, water, metals, energy. Without those, their invasion wouldn't last long. Step 3. The humans. Now, you might think humans would instantly unite and fight back. Reality check. We can't even agree on pizza toppings. At first, it would be chaos. Governments would argue. Social media would melt down. Someone would definitely try to make a TikTok dance out of it. But once survival kicks in, history shows we can cooperate when the threat is big enough. If we knew aliens were serious, humans might actually put aside differences and team up. So what could an invasion look like? Let's play out a few scenarios. Scenario A. Classic laser zapping aliens. They hover over cities and start blasting. But here's the twist. Earth is huge. Covering one city is easy. Controlling 7 billion people across thousands of miles? That's like trying to herd every single cat on the internet at once. Occupation would be messy, slow, and expensive, even for aliens. Scenario B. Resource grab. Instead of ruling us, they just want stuff. Maybe water, maybe metals. In that case, Earth isn't even the best choice. Our moon, asteroids, or even Saturn's icy moons have tons of resources and no angry humans firing back. So if they really only need materials, we might not even be worth the trouble. Scenario C. Biological takeover. What if aliens dropped engineered microbes to wipe us out? Creepy, right? Except, biology is hard to predict. An alien germ designed for them might not work here at all, or it could mutate into something they didn't plan. Think. Congratulations, you've invented space mold, and now it's eating your ship. Now here's the wild part. Statistically, if aliens have the power to reach us, they probably don't need to invade. The resources they want exist in easier places, and if they want Earth specifically, the fastest strategy might not be war, it could be manipulation. Imagine alien TikTok influencers convincing us to hand over control one meme at a time. Less war of the worlds, more war of the Wi-Fi. So, what's the big reveal? If aliens came to invade, the most likely outcome isn't humans wiped out overnight. It's us slowly realizing how outmatched we are. Maybe they'd enslave us. Maybe they'd leave us alone because we're boring. Or maybe, just maybe, they'd destroy themselves trying to fight a species that throws everything, including nukes, kitchen sinks, and sarcasm, into survival. The real kicker? If they've mastered interstellar travel, they're already thinking on scales we can barely imagine. To them, Earth might be a gas station stop. Or worse, a bug they accidentally step on. In the end, An alien invasion probably wouldn't look like the movies. It'd be stranger, scarier, and more complicated. But hey, if it ever happens, maybe don't drop your pizza. You'll need the calories. So, what do you think? Would humans fight back like action heroes, or just end up as background characters in someone else's story? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, hit that like button, subscribe for more weird science what-ifs,